What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we've got the Hot Wheels Rewards Cars Mystery Box. I found this in a Toys R Us. Yes, Toys R Us still does exist up here in Canada, and I have no idea what this is. From the looks of it, we do have 10 Hot Wheels cars included within this box. So we're going to go ahead, open this up together, and we're going to figure out what's inside of this Hot Wheels mystery box here. We're going to go ahead and just take open the little plastic piece right here. This is an official Hot Wheels box, so it's officially done by Mattel and Hot Wheels, and it was in Toys R Us in Canada. So we open it up first, and we do have quite a few mystery Hot Wheels cars in there. We've got some sort of paperwork here. We'll take that out. And it looks like we've got cars numbered 1 through 10, and we can write them down, I guess. Okay. And we've got just a bunch of mystery Hot Wheels cars in here. So let's go ahead and open them up one by one. We'll put the box aside right there. And we've got this right here. So it's got some sort of writing on here, not in English for some reason. Let's go ahead and pop open and see what our first car is. We'll have to rip it open as much as I can here. There we go. And our first one, there we go. What is this one exactly? I can't remember the exact name of it. Cyber Speeder. We've got Cyber Speeder as our first mystery car within this packaging. I'm not too sure exactly what the numbering and stuff means on where I put it. I don't know. What number would you give Cyber Speeder from 1 to 10? You guys let me know in the comment section down below. All right, we'll move on to our next one. We'll put Cyber Speeder down. We'll grab another one inside of here. There we go. And let's go ahead and pop this one open here. Come on, get open. Oh, some of them are just not going to open up for me here. Here we go. All right, there we go. That one opened up easier from that side. Oh, okay. So we do have some sort of packaging here. Actually, now that I look at this inside of here, there was something that I missed inside of this one as well. So some sort of gold piece right here. It looks like we put it on the sticker board right here. So I'm not too sure exactly where it would go. I think we'll just leave the sticker part right here. I don't really care about that part. I mean, there it is, gold sticker. Okay, cool. What car do we have in here? Ooh, look at this one. This one is, I can't remember the exact name. Street Creeper. There we go. I should know these ones. I feel like I would remember these ones here. Street Creeper, we've got as our second mystery car right here. And I don't know if these ones are exactly the mainline colors as well. I think the Cyber Speeder one, I think I have seen this one as a mainline before, but we'll leave it at that. All right, let's go into our next one right here. And we've got another packaging right here. Let's see if I can get this one open up easily here. Come on, open up for me. I should just be cutting these. That would be a lot easier. There we go. It always opens up the opposite side that I want. All right, we'll take that stuff out. And Shark Cruiser. There we go. We've got Shark Cruiser in on this one right here. Very, very nice Shark Cruiser. And then we've got another one of these mystery card things. We'll actually put these all in a pile here, and maybe at the end we'll figure out what exactly it is. We'll go ahead and grab this one right here. Nice looking one. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, that one opened up easily. And what do we have inside of here? Another gold piece. Ooh, this is another one of the spider type ones. What is this one called? Speed Spider. There we go. Speed Spider inside of this one. Looks like it's got glow-in-the-dark wheels on there. Interesting. All right, we'll put him down. That's 4, so we've still got 6 cars left to open up here. Wonder if there'll be any licensed cars inside of these mystery cars. What is this one right here? Here we go. We'll take that piece out, put that in, and there we have another fantasy car. I don't know which this one is. This one is Quick and Sick, or Quick and Slick, maybe. Some sort of sports car right there with the nice glass bubble roof on there, blacked out wheels with the white lip on it. All right, put him aside. Next one we've got, we'll open this one up. Come on, get out. There we go. Another one of these things right here. And this one is Project Speeder. Project Speeder in black with the chrome engine and the chrome interior on there. All right. Project. Oh, it wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop a car. All right, we'll open up our next one right here. I think we've still got like 3 or 4 more left here. We'll open this one up and see what we have inside of here. There's another one of those gold pieces right there, the gold stickers right here. And this one is I can't remember the exact name of this one. I should know this one, but there we go. If you guys know the name of this one, comment down below which one this one is. It looks like an old hot rod, an old 30s hot rod style car right there. I think it's another Hot Wheels fantasy car though. And we've got 3 more cars left. All right, let's go ahead and pop them open here. And oh, this is one of the Indy race cars. Oh, this one has 2 in it. I don't know if that's a mistake. We have 2 little pieces right here inside of this one, so I'm not too sure the significance of that. They all look to be the same sticker, so I don't really understand what it's for or what you do with it. But this one is called, what is this one called? This one I can't remember, it doesn't say the name on it. Formula Flashback, there we go. I got it. Formula Flashback right there. Flashback to the old Formula 1 cars. There is Formula Flashback. All right, we'll put him aside. 2 more left here. Open that up. And there we go, another gold piece inside of that one. We'll put that one aside. And then we have got, ooh, I like this one. Mach Speeder, there it is. Mach Speeder. Love it, love it. Mach Speeder is a really cool looking car. It looks like a futuristic Le Mans race car of some sort with the big wing on there. Cool looking wheels. Nice color on this one too. Really like the color on that one. Mach Speeder. All right, and our last one that we'll open up today in this crazy Hot Wheels Rewards Cars mystery box here. All right, what do we have in here? Another gold piece, we'll put that aside. And this one is Monta Racer. Monta Racer. There we go, Monta Racer. Not bad, not bad. I like it. All right, so they all are Hot Wheels fantasy cars. I'm gonna put a bunch of them in my hands right now so you guys can kind of see all the cars that we got. Can we just pile them all up here? Let's see. Can we pile them all up? Boom, boom. Oh, Shark Cruiser. Put you on top there. Cyber Speeder there. Formula Flashback. And the one that I can't remember the exact name of right there. 10 Hot Wheels fantasy cars in this mystery box. Like I said, I got this in Toys R Us in Canada. That's the box of it right there. Hot Wheels Rewards cars. And I guess you just kind of put the numbers down of all the cars and then you write them down. I'm not really sure. We got all these gold pieces right here that we can possibly just put on our little sheet right here. They all look to be the same though. I don't know, kind of cool, kind of flashy, but we'll leave it at that, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.